As I'm riding this horse, y'all can't make me mad no more. Call me a nigger, call me a negro, call me a nigga. All you doing is confirming that I'm the seed of King David, who's going to be the Messiah of this world forever, that the Most High picked. And him only that we going to worship. Every knee going to bow down to Yah, while King David, yes, a Negro, ruling over the world with his seed, controlling everything in righteousness, back in peace. And you not going to stop it because we going to have super divine powers. Thus said the Most High. Yeah. So yes, keep calling me a nigga. You're just making me more happy because you just letting me know who I am.